Hi everyone, welcome to Backlog Stories channel. In this session, I'll be showing up like how to create AWS account. Okay, because this is very essential. This is very important and basic. One of the prerequisite to understand and to get a hands-on practical session. So AWS account is must because just going through and all the videos you will understand bits and pieces, but when you start working and practicing and learning all together, that makes you perfect. So I would highly recommend to create a AWS account while watching my videos. You know then you start follow my course, and each and every course has a specific topic. So for each and most of the topics, we'll have practical sessions, which will get a hands-on experience. And for that, AWS account is required because I'll be giving a hands-on experience to create how to create a resources and how to maintain and manage AWS resources. That's why you need a AWS account. Okay. So let's get started. How to create AWS account. Okay, guys. Okay. AWS login. Oh, okay. AWS console login. Okay. We need to create. We have to go to this official website. So I'll be paste this link in my description. Okay. So you need to click on here, create an AWS account. Okay. So you need to click here, create a new AWS account. Okay. So it will land up on this sign up page. You need to give these details while signing up AWS account. One second. Okay. So you need to give the valid Gmail ID. Okay. One second. And password. And password field has some requirements. Password policy must, obey the password policy. It should have at least 8 characters, and it should be combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and so on. Okay, and you need to confirm the password. One second. Okay. Name. Okay, what name? Let's give backlog stories. Okay. Okay, our channel name. Let's give our channel name. Click on continue. Then it will ask some more details. Okay. So you need to give details like let's go backlog stories, and you need to do the mobile number. Okay. So let's do mobile number. Okay. 1 second. You need to give a proper valid mobile number, and you need to select a country. Then you need to select country where you located, and you need to give address and details. Okay, address and details. Okay, and state. Karnataka. You need to give the state, postal code, okay, and then you need to check this. Click on continue. Okay, something. Okay, we need to select, is it for personal or business account? Let's connect personal account. And this is very important, guys. While creating AWS account, a debit card or credit card is mandatory. Without this, you will not be able to create AWS account. But be careful. You can create account. Be careful. I'll be each and every session. I'll be specifying a special note reminder. Whatever resource you are creating through Terraform, you need to destroy it. Okay. Don't forget. Don't keep it running. Otherwise, you may. I know there is some free spaces there, free account, 1 year free account. But still, if you kept on running all the resources, whatever you created, you may get some huge bill. Okay, so just for precautions measure, be careful with this account and enable all the security rules. Otherwise, hackers may hack this account and make use of your account for any illegal actions. So that's why just be careful. Don't entertain. Let me give my credit card details, expiry date, card holder's name, CVV, and these details. For security reasons, I'll be I'll be moving ahead of next step, because this is all you have to give very simple details, your credit card and debit card details, expiry date, card holder's name, and CVV, and then verify and continue. Step 3. So once you give your debit card or credit card details, it will just for validation, just for confirmation, we have given it's the correct or valid card details. It will verify by charging you 1 rupees or 2 rupees. Sometimes it is 1 rupee or 2 rupees, depends. So it will ask the OTP. You will get an OTP, and it will get charged for only 2 rupees. Okay. I hope 2 rupees is not a big deal for learning AWS infrastructure and AWS resources. I think it's really worth. Okay, so don't have worry. They will not get deducted or charged without any information. There will be a bill will be generated in case if you guys are using it. But if you follow my course properly, then it won't be any problem. But you should be very careful. Once it is all the resource creation has been done, you need to destroy immediately, or maybe after 5-10 minutes. So don't leave like that, or don't leave. Keep on running those resources. Okay. So once it is authenticated, it will. Okay. Sometimes you may face these kind of errors. That's why I have captured here. So the payment method cannot be verified. Please check your info. That means your credit card or debit card information is not proper, or somehow AWS is not able to authenticate with your card. So you have to try it again. Next is okay, after that it will ask for verification. So phone verification, you need to give the mobile verification, and either OTP, through OTP, or AWS will call, voice call. You need to verify your account. Once it is done, your account will get created. And once you successfully verified your mobile number, then it will ask for which account you want, which plan you want to go and sign up for AWS account. So set a basic support and free account. Okay, so then click on complete sign up. So now it is confirmed. Congratulations. Thank you for signing up for AWS. We are activating your account, which should only take few minutes. You will receive an email when this is complete. Okay. So go to AWS console, management console. Okay. Now sign into console. Okay. So your account got created with US EC2 reasons. Okay. These are the reasons, available reasons, but your account got created US-East-2. Okay. So these are the AWS console and these are the AWS resources. So, okay, that's all about the session, how to set up AWS account. Your account got created. So if while creating this AWS account, suppose in case if you faced any issues, okay, now, okay, looks like my account is not activated somehow. It is asking for sign up again. Let's try after some time. Yeah, if while you also, I mean, installing this, I mean, while signing up for AWS, if you guys are facing any issue, feel free to post a comment in the channel. I'll happy to assist, whatever issues you are facing. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you should be able to create AWS account. And it is very important. Don't neglect, because in upcoming all my sessions will be on practical. Most of the sessions will be I'll be creating AWS resources, AWS infrastructures like EC2 instances, so VPC, Internet Gateway, all these resources I'll be creating through Terraform. While explaining, if you don't have the account, and then it will be a problem. So I would highly recommend to create our account and keep it ready to, before following my next sessions. Thank you so much. If you are wondering how to install Terraform on Windows or Linux, I have made a videos on that. I have placed a link in the description. Please watch, and just in case if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.